and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.
I'm the last pickup. Where we had our lunch break. Now we're waiting for Lucas. Now we're going to take a little break. There's our changing color leaves. Now, the reveal of what's been stored inside all these compartments. And here's all my workers. Slowly open. Things didn't fall down.
Yeah.
Zooming in.
Put your sweet potato in. That will be the first one I'll put.
Yes.
Because it takes longer to
Oh,
make.
look at
Where
that
is it?
beauty. And in the meanwhile, we're making Brussels sprout with grilled peppers. This is how it's going down. The herbs from our garden. Got different Italian seasoning on it.
I think this one I can just go straight.
It's Bill.
Where's my phone?
Now I put my pink salt.
My light is not on.
Oh my God. She's not the fire starter. She's just the chef.
I'm ready.
I'm the fire starter. Ooh, now we're going to do stuff. Mozzarella. Put a little pink salt over the mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Then we stuff it.
So,
And then we're going to put that on there.
okay, so only this one goes for the grill?
Yep.
¿Es frío o no? ¿Es frío? Yeah?
Lucas, he likes to talk to strangers.
Gotta make it mad. Yeah,
He's getting charred. Sausage is still grilling. Now they're setting up their house and they're landscaping. The old-fashioned broom, see? Nice landscaping. Nice landscaping.
Yeah, I know, right? It sets up everything, right? Nice.
See, improvise.
Yeah, in a village, that's how we use, you know? It works.
Free.
Yeah, it's free. It does a good job, you know?
And look this guy. Modernized. Battery versus old-fashioned way. Modernized. Battery. Energy.
Oh, you can combine them too.
Served. Still good. Look at this. Burnt outside, but red and delicious and sweet inside. And here's my witness.
Yeah, survivor right there. it stays the same all the time.
It's getting cold.
But you know, yeah, if like this,
It's
I don't
only
think we were camping before
4:30.
this time, like the in November. I don't think it might be the first time we camp at this time of the year.
Check out this second batch. Yum, yum, yum is all I can say. Hear it sizzling, hear that fire, see that fire. Yep. Ooh, now we'll go check out the spring. So pretty, oh my gosh. Water's so clear. So today is very few people because it's a Monday. A lot of people go snorkeling there.
Like too deep in there? That's what I thought it was. Is it too deep in there?
Turkey roost there. They have volleyball courts everywhere. Different place to lunch. And first come, first serve. Just pick any site available.
So one, this is the second one. The next another 5.
Smoker too. Check that out. Yeah. Good way to throw it down. And this is in the evening too. Sun is setting and it's this clear.
There's a little difference, you know, summer, but also, you know, that weekend just turned out to be so close. Because I'm thinking next weekend is gonna be already hot, you know, it's probably gonna be nice to get in. Like next weekend, when they say it's gonna be back to like 80 or something, 5 and 7. Yeah, then you'll be able to get in.
But is it gonna be like clear blue sky?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be overcast?
Yeah, yeah. I do want to try. You brought it. Bad idea. I mean, if you were hungry, we didn't have all this food what we have.
Asian people, we never go hungry.
No, right? Always find something.
Yes.
Oh,
It move! Food!
I'll put down to work. She will get any food from anybody over there without any hard work.
Oh
I
yeah,
wouldn't know how
true.
to catch these fish.
Well,
They're faster than me.
He's trying to sit on a broken chair.
that's crazy.
It's ripped, not broken. It's ripped the seat. Every time you sit, it rips more, so the bucket's supposed to hold his butt up.
Man, baby, I don't think we're gonna take the chair anymore on our trip.
That's why I said it's gone. It's a goner.
It's a custom made for my ass.
Yeah,
That's all.
but I really thought that you were
Found a log.
a big boy, another big boy.
Wow.
Yeah, good.
Relax, this is mine now.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. So you like it? That's good. She
Our
might
neighbor brought us some logs, and Lucas is sharing his sausages.
In the spot though.
Oh, I got some. I got on my Yeti.
Yeah, well, we're doing shots.
She's got the. She's
No, I have the vodka in here.
Yeah. Yeah. She got the cheers.
I'm not getting all these shares, guys. Sorry.
Na zdrowie. Na zdrowie. Na zdrowie. Yeah, dziękujemy za dyrekcję. Thank you for directions.
Thank you for direction.
Yeah.
Sounds like he was doing a blessing. Someone's feeling good.
That this moonshine out of that, and it's like very tasteful. Like when you drink it, you don't feel that it's like 60, 70%.
After the shots, you gotta take.
Bring his blanket up.
Yeah, it's coming up. It's getting there.
Evidence from last night. The two boys said. Of course. Especially when it's cold. Yes.
That's why we go to the gym. Trying to change it a little bit. Nice. Good job, Dad.
Push. 1, 2, 3. Okay, put the rock under here. This will help dry it. Yeah. Perfect.
Not anything, then I will know right away. That's what I did.
Woo! Oh, it's
Oh,
almost burnt.
oh,
Woo. But it looks good. It looks like in the morning. Spectacular. Starting from then, different location.
oh. I see why this is dangerous. Because once you go underneath here, if you don't know how to manage to come back, you're gonna get stuck underneath.
It's true.
Oh.
Leaving the Devil's Eyes. Then we can go to, where are we going next? Follow the road, the sign.
The next we go into that main spring. What's the name of the main one, baby? Is it Ginny?
We're looking for Jenny for camping.
I don't know the name.
See my crew, so
This
trustworthy.
one was the-
Now we're entering Ginnie Spring. So every spring section they have volleyball court and where you can rent kayaking. Part is actually Ginnie Spring.
Come into the springs.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you just can
With the floor.
chill on the
Nice
yeah,
step.
chill a little bit
Coming
on the hill and
down.
then you keep going.
Oh, okay.
Back to the next spring.
Okay.
Wow, it's so pretty.
So
So clear too.
you can spend hopping.
So most of the campsite, they're all along the river. This is a good campsite. plenty to do. A lot of logs, they're very generous. We could pick up branches and logs and burn them. Most state park, they don't allow you to do that, collect wood and stuff, but this place they do. And the place is way more spacious. Look at all the campsites. It's like from that end to that end. It's huge. The state park is very small. They probably put 3 campsites there. And look at my action woman over there. And oh, and we found, look, we drive a car here.
Huh?
Drive a car. We found a nice stash over there.
Oh, yeah.
So we didn't even have to bring all these woods.
Everybody wants to go there. Now, this is a beautiful spot right here.
Why, we're going to change
For
house
the next time.
Yeah.
for our
or
next
something.
location?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. We got fire right next to the water.
Oh, yeah.
You got the spring right there.
Oh, nice.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like, this is
Nice. Good
This
spot.
is, yeah, we went too quick. We didn't like look around.
We got too excited.
Yeah, you got too excited.
Okay.
She's always
Well,
excited.
that's the spot you wanted.
that was, yeah, let's okay.
So,
But like if we
is
had a
this
fire
spring
going
call,
on,
not Ginnie
I would
Springs.
even go at night to the water if we had fire going on. Yeah, baby. You go right there, warm yourself up,
Oh, it's different when you're wet.
or even this one right here. You know?
They want this prime location, you know, this prime real estate right here.
Yeah, it is.
They're talking about, no, you can't do this spot right here.
Yes, you can.
Look, look this
No
Polish guy.
camping area.
Always want to argue with me. Look, there's the sign that actually say no camping area.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
We make him do it first, then we make him relocate, kick him out. Yo, sweater. And there's a hole right there. That's the cave.
Right, the user before yourself, just in case.
Yeah, I think that'd be fine.
Keep walking.
Okay, where to? Crew.
I don't know. This guy over
And
there.
look at that. Look at the convenience too. Look at this.
See the thing that impresses him? Not lingerie or high heels, faucet.
Faucet with the running water.
Yeah, with the running water. Found a fly trap. And every morning they got a cleanup crew, clean up all the trash and everything. So it's well taken care of, which is nice. Continuation with his dancing from last night. And this one must be for everybody just all get down the same time. This is where the rush is. Twin Spring.
That's what the divers told us last night too. Because they go over the limit.
Yeah, well, what it is, we have like strict rules and stuff, and then they just blatantly ignore them or just do their own thing. Like the last dude, I guess he was trying to break a wet record or something. He was like over 6,000 feet deep and down. I guess he was trying to emerge some other spring way over that way, like a couple of miles. But
Got
yeah,
stuck.
Yeah.
6,000.
Yeah, like yeah, it was closer to 65, but yeah, no, he just kept going. It took 4 teams of 4 divers to get him out of there. It was a lengthy endeavor. Yeah, it was a lengthy endeavor.
Do they close the springs in the time when they have to do the rest?
Usually, yeah. Yeah.
I mean, people still can camp, but just
Yeah, no, yeah, people can camp and stuff like that, but yeah, they'll section off the entire spring hole.
ambulance, all that stuff.
Yeah, top, so.
It happens like what, once a year, all of this.
I mean, it depends. A lot of the time, like, it's never a stagnant. There's only like 1 or 2 this year. I think there's 3 or 4. Yeah. Yeah.
We have electric and water section.
So that's when you go with your camper.
What a big wood you got there. They don't find it amusing. Except my girlfriend Deanne. She know what's up.
I know what you mean.
Go down the river to the spring. And this multi-purpose blower. Our ride is ready to wheel. It's a dilemma. There's 2 leaks.
Oh, yeah, that's
So that's a no-go.
tried anyway.
No, you go. I'll watch you.
No, you go, we go. I go, you go.
You go, I go, we all go.
Oh, it's cold.
Uh,
I put my toe in.
And your whole body's not there yet.
Maybe put your toe in first. I think you'll change your mind.
Yeah?
Floating down the river.
That's why it's nice to have that commode.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better than walking, huh?
Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Good thing you made us do it, Lucas.
I know what I'm doing.
We're gonna have to use a paddle to float.
Why are we bumping into something soon? So far, it's going pretty good. In
So
the
far.
center
Yes.
of the river. Ah, yeah, when we get to the springs, that's when we're gonna have to get closer.
Yeah, we might have to use our hand more too.
Well, somebody probably need to jump in to the water.
The one with the long legs, and you know who got that. Florida autumns. Isn't it great when you have a friend who just speaks for you for their own benefits?
That was strong.
Now he'll throw compliments. Call me sturdy.
Oh, you know what, Dao? We missed one spurt.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
the turkey roost, right?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, yeah, I know.
I think it's only on this side over here.
Florida, beautiful autumns.
Yeah.
So far, we have not paddled yet. We've just been drifting. Man, this thing came in handy. Dang, look at all those vultures over there.
Voucher?
Yeah,
Are you waiting for us?
usually
know
that's
what's
why they're
coming?
around. Meal's coming soon.
Wow.
Man, I cannot drift it away from the tree.
You know how big?
No, this thing doesn't really work.
No, it's off.
But it, you can direct the
Yeah,
Okay, let me help him.
yeah, Dao, please.
Okay.
Enough with this.
Sprouting over there. One right behind this tree right here. But where's the other one?
That's a little bit more of the wild raft camping over here on this side.
Yeah,
When we have
definitely
to
primitive.
get anything.
It's hard to get here.
Yeah.
And this is our transportation. Very reliable, all three of us.
Unless you have a boat.
Yeah.
We lost one noodle in the event. And we use shoes for paddling. Looking
Try, it won't help
to
a lot.
improvise, looking for stick or
See? Right away.
push and paddle assisted.
But it's enough to push us out.
You can find something which is not dry, baby.
This one is not dry. Oh, pretty dry, pretty light.
That's gonna break too. Oh,
No, it's enough to don't.
We got it here. Climb up here to the spring. We almost miss it. With the assistance of this shillelagh. Oh, I guess
See, that
there's
was
kids.
my good idea.
Now we're gonna go for a swim. Look how beautiful this place is. Six degrees outside, but we're going snorkeling, swimming. This is going in. How is it, Lucas?
it's still cold. It might take me a while till I dip in completely.
And someone was just sunbathing.
Now he's being brave. How is it? It's not cold?
When you put your face in there, it's cold. But I don't think I'm gonna put my face in there.
You can do it. You got the whole body already almost.
At least one part I gotta have heat. The head. And my hair will take long to dry. But it's actually good.
Yeah.
Let me keep this here. Now, just go down. Parting, saying goodbye to this unicorn. Making noodle time. It's happening. Having noodle dinner. So pretty. Finally get to enjoy the hammock. Had a good swim. Came home, made some noodle soup in the hammock. Eating popcorns. Not so bad, not so bad, not so bad. Not so bad. The hunt is on for the dang cookies. This is the second night.
He's on a mission. And he's looking for a flashlight, which is right next to him, by the way.
6:30 a.m. Sun is rising. The sun is rising. For now, you have a guest waiting for you when you wake up. When you open your tent, there's a whole bunch of guests in your front door. Oh, they left. Our autumns. Oh, yeah.
Don't leave!
No leaves. We mean no leaves. Look how many leaves.
Oh yeah. Nice.